If there's one issue that I see commonly, it doesn't matter what type of case, but specifically since my background is divorce and bankruptcy, is when to accept an offer. And unfortunately, you see a lot of times, I call it legal bullyism, where people are just making up facts like saying, I'm going to take, away the children, or I'm never going to pay any alimony or child support or anything else like that. And the reality is the question becomes, should you accept that offer? And the answer to that is very simple. What is your worst day in court? Never accept an offer that is your worst day in court. So, for example, if your worst day in court is the judge says, well, you're going to have to pay $500 a month, why would you accept an offer that makes you pay $700 a month? If your worst day in court is going to be 50-50 custody, while you could agree to 60-40, depending on your schedule, but if the threat is I may lose custody unless I accept 50-50, then again, what's your worst day in court? If your worst day in court is 50-50, then don't take any other offer. Don't get bullied into these negotiations when all you have to realize is what is your potential risk? What is your liability? And once you figure that out, you'll know whether you need to accept an offer that probably is unfair. So just always ask yourself the question, what is my worst day in court?